on Wick's GTO. Getting the trunk emptied out. So we got all the stuff stashed in there. I'm gonna pull out the pad here and get all this insulation out, kind of like we did in the passenger compartment, because this stuff sucks. So I'm gonna pull all this stuff out. Then Wick and I'll wheel her outside and have at it with the SCT. And then we's gonna prep it and I think paint it with the speckle paint. And then we can start our carpet. Alrighty, SCT time. Fun.